Hello guys, so today's problem is easy one. We have to delete the duplicates from the linked list which is sorted. So we have to delete the duplicate elements from the linked list and the linked list is sorted. This is our problem. So if I say my linked list is 1 3 3 7, then just I want to delete this 3 from here. So our logic is pretty simple. We will check if the current node value is equals to current's next node value, then simply this node will point out to this in next and we will remove this. Then we will check if this node is equals to this or not. So simply, for an example, if I take a linked list like that, suppose my linked list is 1 3 3 3 7 and this is a sorted linked list and we want to remove the duplicates. So our pretty simple logic will state that check if the value of current node is equals to current's next node or not. So suppose this is our current node, we will check this is equals to next or not. So it is not equals to, no problem, check for next node. Now this is our current node and we will check this is equals to this, yes this is equals to this. So simply we will remove this and our node will point out to this and we will not increment our current node. So now check if this is equals to this, yes this is equals to this. So simply remove this and our node will point out to this. Now check if this is equals to this is not equals to this, simply increment, this is our current node now and node duplicates now. So this is our pretty simple logic. I will write code for this. So I have a linked list I will show you and this is VS Code which is my favorite. You can also code on VS Code. So okay, so first let me check my linked list. My linked list is, you can see 13377. My linked list is 13377. Look for this output. Okay, so my linked list is 13377 which I have inserted 13377. So I have to remove the duplicate, so I will write a code. So first I will create two pointers. P pointer will point to head and Q pointer will point to null pointer. Now check the condition while P ka next not equals to null pointer. Now check if P val is equals to P next val, then what we will do, then Q is P next and delete P next and P next equals to Q, else P equals to P next. This is it. What I have taught you, I simply write only these statements. What I have taught you, that I have assigned head to P and null to Q. These are my two pointers. I am running this loop while my P next is not equals to null pointer. Okay, then I am checking if the value of current node is equals to current's next node, If this is equals to current's next node, then what we'll do, simply q will hold the address of next to next node. Means if our duplicates are like this, then q will hold the address of 7. If our c is here, then q will hold the address of 7 because currents next. Okay, then delete p next means delete this node, and p next equals to q means 3 will point out to 7. Simple. And if the value of current node is not equals to current's next node, then simply increment the pointer. This is our pretty simple logic, and you can see the output. Our duplicates are deleted. Our linked list was 13377. Now our linked list is 137. So that's it for this video.